Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable block gestures with S Pen for the swipe gestures navigation bar on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, tap on displayed and then swipe down and tap on navigation bar, then swipe down and tap on block gestures with S Pen. So this is useful when you are drawing or writing near the edges of the screen. And that's it. So finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.